Let's decorate for Easter with these adorable paper bunny Peeps. Now you can either make use of our printables, so you've got this type, or you've got this type where you can cut it out and use this as a template, or there's a slightly simpler version, so it's a bit less to cut out. It's only got one piece of one bunny piece, but you know, it's really a question of what printable you find the easiest to use. Or you can very quickly make your own template. So to make your own Peeps, you will need something round. I'm using this cotton wool. Be careful with the needle if you've got something similar. Draw a circle, and do it in the center. This circle will also be your same template that you will need for the body. Actually, I'm going to move it up this way because I need space for my ears. Then a head. So the head's about, so if you've got the half of the circle, it's about the same again. And it's an oval. Don't worry about it being perfect because we'll just neaten it off as we go around. And then you need probably the height of your circle again for the ears, maybe a bit less than that. There we go. You have your basic outline created. Add the eyes and the nose. And I would say that's a pretty good Peeps bunny. Mine's a bit bigger, so it really depends on the circle that you can find, and just make the size that you like. So you'll need to cut out 2 of these, and then you need to cut out 8 of the base as a separate one, plus a little bunny tail. So this is times 8, this is times 2, and times 1. Or, like I'm going to do now, we're going to cut out our shapes from our printable. Let's start with by just putting in your hanging ribbon. So make sure it's kind of hangs over the top and a little bit over the bottom. Tie a little knot. I think that looks good. Put lots of glue. Now I've got light card here, mainly because I like the colour of this card. I do think these work better with paper. So if you've got paper, do use that. But of course the light card also works, and it kind of gives them a bit more sort of strength, I guess. But it's a little bit harder to glue together when you're using card, but it still looks really cute. Okay, so I've got my card. Now you need to prepare your baubles. So fold them all in half. Many of you are familiar with this part of the craft. To assemble, you literally put glue on one side and add the next half on top. Do that. Glue 4 of them together like this. And repeat. This time you do 2. Then you add the tail. So this is going to be a little bunny tail sticking out at the bottom. Add a bit more glue. And then you add the remaining 2. And we're almost done. And we get to look at all 4 that I've made so far already. Look, it's so cute. Okay, then the final assembly. Add glue to the tummy. And carefully place into the middle. Make sure it aligns with your little pieces at the bottom. If you want, some people like to trim the top off before they stick it down, but I like it whole. Hold it flat and repeat. Oh. And again, this time, just take your and flatten. There you go.
Your little paper bunnies are finished. Time to hang them on your Easter tree. Have lots of fun with these. Bye!